Hello, children. Good morning. Today, I'm going to tell you something about sleep. We are going to start with chapter number 7, The Wonder Called Sleep, from the supplementary reading book. Okay, dear children, when we talk about sleep, it is rightly said, go to bed, you will feel better tomorrow. And a good laugh and a long sleep are the two best cures for anything. If you have a good sleep, then you'll have a better day tomorrow. That means you'll have a good mood, you'll feel better, and it's said that laughter is the best medicine. And even having a good sleep too is very important, because if we have not slept properly, then the next day whole day will feel very low and will not feel energetic. So we must take proper sleep. Now, when you were a kid, then your grandmothers and mother used to sing nice little songs while rocking you to sleep. Now, what's such a song called? It's called a lullaby. In Hindi, we say it as Lori, and in Gujarati, we say Haladu. You might have heard about the story of Jijabai, who used to sing the songs of bravery to her son. And it is said that he became brave only by hearing those songs of bravery. Now, your mother too might have sung you such songs in childhood. So today you talk to your mother and ask her that which songs did she used to sing to make you sleep when you were a kid. Even the latest song nowadays which is heard is, you might have heard about the elder sister singing a lullaby to her younger brother. कौन हलावे लिमड़ी ने कौन झुलावे पिपड़ी. You might have heard this. So that is to a lullaby. So your task today is you are going to ask your mother which lullaby she used to sing when you were small. Okay, let's move further. When we talk about sleep, in scientific term, it is a state of unconscious rest. So when we are taking rest is necessary, because our day's activity causes tiredness. We get tired when we do much work. So a good sleep provides rest to our body and even mind, because our mind also needs rest. Although when we are sleeping, our heart keeps on beating, our mind keeps on working. It is not that when we sleep our mind also goes to sleep and even our heartbeat, means our heart goes to rest. No, our heart works 24/7, because if the heart stops then we may die. But the speed at which it works, that gets lowered, because they also need rest. When we take a nap in the afternoon, what is a nap? Nap is a small sleep, a very short duration sleep during the afternoon. So we must not sleep hard during the afternoon. When we take rest in the afternoon, we must always take a short nap. It may be of 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes, because it is necessary to just calm down our whole body. So when we sleep, our body recovers from exertion. Now what is exertion? Exertion is strain or hard work that we do during the whole day. So this is the most advantage of sleep. It is the obvious advantage of sleep, that when we take rest, our body also gets rest. Now many things happens to us during sleep. We forget most of those happenings when we wake up. जब हम सो जाते हैं तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो जाती है, लेकिन जब हम उठते हैं हम सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं. एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड अ ड्रीम. वी ड्रीम ड्यूरिंग नाइट और व्हेन वी स्लीप. Sometimes we remember our dream and sometimes we do not. Our muscles relax more and more when we enjoy a sound sleep. So, sound sleep is very necessary because our heartbeat becomes slower, our blood pressure and temperature goes down, the brain also slows down. What I said just before, that it does not go to sleep but it slows down. So we cannot think or act consciously because when we are asleep, then we don't know what is going on in the outer world. So we are just at a rest, and these things become normal when we wake up. So when we wake up, our blood pressure is normal, our temperature is also normal, our brain also works in its normal way. So this is all about the working of the brain. Okay, now sometimes when we dream during the sleep, we forget most of our dreams by the time we wake up. So what may be the kind of dreams? If it's a lady, she'll think about a beautiful house. Men, they think about money, earning more and more. Children are most fond of things and gifts, so they may think about a gift that they get from their parents. The ones who are spiritual, those who are adults, they think of the heavenly pleasures, and just they think that I am in a place very near to God and I have got very good place to live in. And this is all about what we dream. Now dream is an important activity of the mind. It enables us to sleep even through noisy disturbances. बहुत कुछ चल रहा होता है लेकिन फिर भी हमारा सपना चल रहा होता है, and we really enjoy, we feel that we are a part of it. And our dreams mostly reveal our problems. Whole day whatever happens, whatever thoughts are going on in our mind, that only comes in our dreams. So think about good people, think about good things, have certain good ideas, have certain aspirations in life, and think positively. So your dreams too will reveal whatever you think, and sometimes they can also provide a solution of the related problems. Sometimes when you have a great problem, then you may find the solution to that problem through your dreams. So think big, have some good ideas in your mind during your when you are awake, and you will find a good solution to it during your sleep. But we must remember one thing: dreams can never tell the future. It's okay that when you dream, you come to know that what will happen, but certainly it's not true. It's just a dream. But when do dreams come true, or when do they become really the future? When we work hard, when we put in all our efforts to accomplish our dreams, then and only then we can accomplish our dreams. Otherwise, if we just think in our dream that I am the president of India or prime minister of India, we cannot become the very next day the prime minister of India. For that we must do lot of efforts, and if you want to become the richest person in the world, for that too you have to study well and you have to work hard in order to accomplish something. Sleep has wonderful powers. It transports us into a strange land. When we go into sleep, we don't know where we have landed, and we forget even our near and dear ones. Sleep is the sweetest and most common experience. So, we love sleep, and so it's rightly said or called a wonder. So, what is sleep? Sleep is a wonderful thing that happens in our life. So, sleep well. Sleep is the most common experience, but how many of us really think about the wonder and power of sleep? Do we know how much sleep we must have? How much sleep we must take in order to keep ourselves very healthy and very active? So, I would like to share something to you that in order to sleep well, you must take enough rest and sleep. And for you children, at least 8 to 9 hours of sleep is very necessary. And for that, you need to go to bed early and limit your screen time. Now, when we talk about today's situation, we have to spend more time on the screen because of the online teaching. But then when we don't finish the work on time, it gets loaded, and when it gets loaded, we have to spend more and more time on the screen, and that limits our energy. And because of that, what happens is we have to spend more time in screen, and that will just damage our eyes. It will cause problems to the brain, and it will just lead us to tiredness. And most common thing is we use gadgets in dark places. I mean, when the lights are off, when we are in the room, then what we do is we just switch off the lights and sit in the dark and watch the mobile. And that is very worst thing, and we must take care that the room should be well lit. And when we are in the front of the gadget, we must keep full light so that our eyes do not spoil, and that doesn't lead to lack of sleep, because that is a condition. When you spend too much time on the screen, then what happens, your sleeping time reduces and you don't feel like sleeping, and at a long run it may cause certain diseases related to sleep. We call it as insomnia. You can find in the you can find yourself what is that state and what does it lead. Otherwise, in the next session I'll explain more about it. So it is my humble request to all of you that studying is good, but then manage your time and see to it that you spend less time on the screen and complete your work on time, so that you may have a good sleep. Okay, so for now, thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good sleep and sweet dreams for your nap as well as your night. Thank you. Have a nice day.